Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can delete cells. Okay, so let's start. Open this Excel sheet. These are called cells. If we, for example, if we want to delete this one, okay, then we can click backspace. It will be deleted. If we want to this one, create backspace. It will be deleted. But if we delete this way, then the the value will be gone, but still this will show null values and this will keep its associated formats. So this will still occupy some spaces. So this is not the right way. So how we can do it? I'm clarifying it more. Control Z to make it back again. uh, for example, if we click this, you can see here if the data type is showing general. Everything is general. General is the most common. If you it is built in. Okay, here you can see all the data is in general format. So for our example, let's change it. Selecting this, we convert it into number. So everything is general, but this one is number. Now if we delete this the previous way, I mean selecting this, press backspace or right click, delete. I'm not showing this way. Backspace. Okay, backspace, you will see the data is deleted. But still, when we click this thing, you see the number is, the format is still there. If anything, the format is still there, that means this cell still possess that format. So this will still keep some spaces. So how to delete number, any value of a particular cell and its associated formats and other things, to completely delete this, how we can do this? Okay, so the process is, click this one, from home menu, go to clear and clear all. Okay, now I'm sorry. Now if we select this, we'll see there is no number here and there is no format here. So everything associated with this cell is completely deleted. This is how we have saved the associated data from a particular cell. Just think, if you have millions of data, and if you don't delete anything from, just we have showed like this, then all the data that you are thinking that is deleted, but still those cells will occupy spaces, so the file size will be bigger. So whenever you want to delete a cell, just click that cell, or by if you want to delete multiple cells, then click uh, this one, then control and hold, uh, select multiple cells, and then if you click clear and clear all those cells will be deleted and all the formats will be deleted. So all those cells will be completely empty. So this is the right way to delete cells. That's all for today. Thank you very much.